I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Welcome to another adventure, people. We're out here again on another fishing adventure. Right? Look what I'm going on the seaside with it. So here what I'm going. Today, I'm on the snapper hunting from one day. So I'm there on next spot where I have some cut bait here, some chopong. I'm going to use and see if I can catch some snapper right off here. So I don't know if I'm going to catch any, but we are going to try a look. Alright? So it's a fishing day, but we don't know if it's going to be a catching day. But let we see what go on. Let we see how the day turn out. So I'm going to cut up some of them bait here and chew out. Alright? So now watch the process. Believe. Alright, so we put on our bait. So I could see if we can catch something here now. No? I could see what I go bite to line. No? I could see if we are going to catch a fish today. No? Yeah, would mind we catch a couple nice size snapper in the idea here. Today the sun not that hot today. It's overcast. Then so we are gonna get some rain between today, which is the 25th, to the 26th, 27th. So let us see. I'm gonna try also to get some shrimp. But I'm not get no shrimp. So just have to use the cut bait, because you don't know the shrimp are the fish them KFC that is eat. All I fish them. I love the shrimp. You know, like how we love KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Yeah man, I say fish them love the shrimp. Yeah man, so when I go and watch the process, we're out here like normal. Believe. People, I not catch none as yet, but we're still there. May I get pick, them are pick it, but we not hook any as yet. So now go and watch the process and see what's going on. Alright? Believe. People, the sea I get rougher, the breeze start blow heavier. It's very windy at the moment right now. So I'm telling us that them say we're gonna get like a tropical storm. So yeah, just about that just be a wind. Yeah, I feel right now. Look at the ocean. So the water get choppier, wavier. Look at the trees. Them a dance to the rhythm. Yeah. But we are out here without fear. Look, the rain not start fall as yet. But I know further on down in the day, the rain a go fall. Look what I'm going. Yeah man. The sea change now. So me have my line set up out there same way. A one rod and reel me I use. Me that thing for go for the next one the man set out there as well, but we are just go and watch the weather first, you get me? So now go and watch the process and believe so we are gonna catch something today, alright? Boy, me get a jog on it a while ago. Hold on. Oh, him just eat off the bait and gone. But me I feel little raindrops you know. But we're gonna put on some more bait and throw it back out there, alright? Watch the process. We not make the breeze stop, we not make the rain stop, alright? Believe. People, all the water color change. all the water color change. The sea get rougher right now. But when me say me out here without fearing of people, you have to be careful when you're out here same way. Right? You have to make sure say you're safe same way. But which part we there we safe, alright? We get some pick on the line. But we want hook one of them. I wonder like how the water gets so rough if we are going to catch something. When we come here this morning, the water was just so calm and nice. But look how the weather just changed everything. And my line, when I throw up my line, it now go far, it just go, it not go too far. So, when I'm 100% sure if we are going to catch anything, although some of my big fish, them always, they're close to shore. But, let us see. Some people did all up that side there are swimming in the water. They have to run out. And I see a whole heap of the old Joe pelican bird them start to fly around now. So I don't know if the fish them, since the water get rough now, the fish them feel lively and start swim about the place. But I could catch for we 2 and leave, or 3 or 4. But I could see what go on. So people, if the weather get worse than this, we're not gonna stay, we're gonna leave. You get me? Cause it don't look like it look like a pass through. It look like it here up on us. I set my line out there still and I'm going to watch it same way. Cause we say rain and shine and we're out here. So we are going to watch it. But if it get too serious, we are going to leave. And if the rain start fall, we are going to leave still. Cause yeah. But we're go and watch the process same way. See a whole heap of old Joe bird them a fly about the place you now. Since the wind start to blow, the weather change, the old Joe them come out. But me I hope me not catch none of them old Joe bird here. Alright? I'm gonna go and watch the process. Alright, I'm gonna reel in the line here. I wonder if they eat off a bait. Them eat it off a bait it up and choke the back there again. Yeah man, they eat it off. And it look like the rain have come here now. They feel the droplet of the rain drops. Cut the water. Like I get so windy now, I'm gonna put on one jig head and cast out there. And see if I can catch anything on it. Watch the process. Alright, so we end up have to leave because the weather did get really bad. The rain start fall, the breeze start to blow even harder, so I have to leave. So I'm not catch no fish today. But guess what? In the next video, I'm gonna catch some fish and do some cooking. Also, I buy one mask today. If you can mask up. Also, I can mask up when I do out there in Estonia. No! Camouflage, yeah. Yeah, man. So that is it. So, I want to lock in for the next video, alright? Next video, I not feel no. Believe.